Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying ownership and creating the account. This ensures you control the destination. Once done, add billing details so ads can run without delays. Next, pick the ad format, display, responsive, or auto ads, because format affects user experience and revenue. Then generate the ad code or link your AdSense account. Copy the snippet. Install it in a header or via a tag manager on pages where you want ads to appear. Make sure your site complies with content policies before proceeding. Now implement the code and fine-tune delivery. This is where performance is made. Use Google Tag Manager for easier updates or insert snippets directly into templates to ensure ad loads across pages. Configure targeting. Choose keywords, audience segments, placements, and device bid adjustments so ads reach relevant visitors. Adjust ad styles and sizes to match your layout. Opt for responsive units to avoid layout shifts. Monitor initial click-through and viewability metrics, and make incremental changes to minimize disruption while improving RPM. Finish by optimizing and validating results. This keeps revenue growing without harming experience. Run a /B tests on placements, formats, and frequency. Compare CTR and RPM while watching bounce rate and session duration. Once satisfied, scale winners across similar pages. If issues occur, check the browser console for script errors, verify policy compliance in your account, and confirm consent banners aren't blocking ad requests. Also inspect network blockers and add network settings. If ads still fail, temporarily remove new changes and reintroduce them step by step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.